Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and today I'm going to do a quick review of this Blue Hawk 1,000 pound capacity sawhorses. I got this from Lowe's. It was around $24 for the set, and it comes with some cool features that I'm going to showcase here in a minute. So as you can see, they come as a set. It's packaged, and it's still banded up, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up and set it up for you. Pretty quick and simple to set up. All you gotta do is grab right here where the hole is, set it apart like so, and that's all there is to it. Like I said, pretty quick and simple. And just by opening it up and feeling it, and it actually feels pretty sturdy once it's opened up. So some of the cool features, as you can see, it has slots on the top to put 2x4s in. And I'm going to go ahead and grab so all you do is grab the 2x4, set it in there like that. Let me grab the other one. It's a snug fit, but it does fit in there. At first I was looking at it, I'm like, oh crap, they didn't make it right. But since it's plastic, it has some give. So by pushing it down in there, man, is that sturdy. Wow. I mean, yeah, it can hold up 1,000 pounds. I'm like a little over 200, but wow, can't believe how sturdy that feels. I mean, just by shaking it, you can see it doesn't move at all. And I believe what these notches are for is so that if you want, if you're going to cut plywood, you can lay the plywood down on top here. You know, as long as you're cutting long ways, it'll give you that extra support and platform, so that you're not running the risk of, you know, zipping your circular saw on top of here, which that's pretty cool. I like that. Also, it has some other features. Like I said, it comes with a couple of trays on the bottom there for setting tools in there. So, you know, if you got some tools, go ahead and place them in there while you're working, like that. And then it also has this these hooks on the sides, which if you got, you know, a power cord, or you got a saw, it's hooked up, you know, come around this side like this, you know, you can just hang it, you know, there, or you can hang it right there. And that's pretty cool, you know. And you can unravel it, you know, plug in your saw and whatnot, and it'll be good to go. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and grab a sheet of plywood and set it on top so you can see that as well. As you can see, it sets up pretty nice. Yeah, put a 4x8 sheet of plywood on top, and it's no problem. And what's cool about the feature where the 2x4, you have a slot for the 2x4, it also allows you to put some clamps here on one side or the opposite side, so that when you're making your straight cuts, a lot of times plywood, when you get to the end, if you don't have no way to hold it, wants to fall over. Well, with the clamps in place, it makes it safer. So that's pretty awesome. And like I said, you know, you can just plug it into your extension cord, hang the excess there, and down below, you know, you got your other tools that, you know, you need to use. And it's not just for plywood. You know, you can put any kind of lumber on top, and also you can make yourself a nice work surface, you know, by putting these in place here and then cutting your plywood to size, and then you have a nice workbench for working outside. So that's pretty cool. Well, there you are. Quick little review of the Blue Hawk sawhorses that can hold up to 1,000 pounds on them both. You know, of course, weight being distributed evenly. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little bell button for reminders of uploaded videos. Thanks. See you in the next one. Bye.